Most people use Windows 11 every day, but they only use 10% of its powerful features. Today, I will show you 5 amazing Windows 11 tips that will make your PC faster, smarter, and more productive. Let's start. If you love technology, computer tips, and smart tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump into the top 5 Windows 11 tips. The first amazing feature is Clipboard history. Normally, when you copy something, you can only paste one item. But Windows 11 allows you to store multiple copied items. How to use it? Press Windows plus V. Turn on Clipboard history. Now you can paste any previously copied text, image, or link. This feature is very useful for students, programmers. The second tip is Snap Layouts. This helps you organize multiple windows on your screen. Just hover your mouse on the Maximize button of any window. You will see many layout options. Now you can easily arrange 2, 3, or 4 apps on one screen. This is extremely helpful for multitasking. The third tip is something many people don't know. Windows 11 has a built-in emoji keyboard. Just press Windows plus dot. Now you can insert emojis, symbols, and GIFs anywhere. This is perfect for social media, chatting, and content writing. Tip number 4 is virtual desktops. This allows you to create multiple desktops for different tasks. For example, one desktop for work, one for study, one for entertainment. Press Windows plus Tab and click New Desktop. This keeps your workspace clean and organized. Now the last tip is a powerful hidden feature called God Mode. It gives you access to 200 plus advanced Windows settings in one place. To enable it, create a new folder. Rename it to this code in the description and paste it. Now open the folder and you will see all advanced Windows controls. This is extremely useful for power users. So these were 5 powerful Windows 11 tips that can make your computer experience much better. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Digital Path for more tech content. And comment below which tip you liked the most. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.